Hello guys, today's video on how to make a glow in the dark light. So you guys should be using gloves. I'm not, but okay, so here's the things you'll be needing. A cut water bottle, a funnel. If you guys watch my other video, you'll see how to make those. Some scissors, any kind. I'm using two because some of them work and some of them don't. A spray bottle for some water because I'm too lazy for every time I need water I have to go up and get up and stuff. So highlighters, if you don't have these you can also use markers. They're recommended. So yeah, highlight. And I've got my two highlighters. You see one of them is cut and the other one is not because I'm only using one. Another water bottle. I'm sorry, this one's filled. I'm going to add more water to it when we start. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up your highlighter. So I'll be right back. After you open up your highlighter, just go ahead and dump it out. Like that. Then you also might want to use this part too. So yeah, let's go ahead and fill up our water. So let's get started. To fill up our water, I'm going to use my spray bottle. Open that up and pour some in. About, say, this much. And sorry guys, but I'm sorry I did not mention yet, you will also need some alcohol, but I'll be adding that last in the bathroom because I didn't want to bring it out to make a big mess. So after you poured in your water, let's go ahead and do the next step. Take your highlighter and just dump it in there, and then you'll see you have this tip part right there. You want to go ahead and take that out, so I'll be right back. And then just let that set for about 10 to 30 minutes. Next, what you want to do is, let me try to get this closer. Okay, so next what you want to do is take this. I'm sorry I do not have gloves, and you might want to use gloves. I'm not though, because if you don't you'll be glowing for like 3 weeks or so. So go ahead and take your highlighter and go ahead and squeeze it from the top and down to get all of that ink out. Sorry. You might want to cut it in half. Depending on how dark it is and how light it is, that's depending on it glowing. So yeah. After that, you have your solution and stuff. Look at my hands. They're all like that. Okay, so after all of that, when you have your solution and stuff, dang, it's hot out here. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and shake it up. I'm going to mix mine because I don't want to shake it. It's in an open water bottle. And then you just want to take this. Hold on, bear back. Okay, so you take this. I've left some water in there. Sorry. I've left some water in there. Take your funnel and pour it in. if you guys saw that funnel action, I put that right there and poured my solution in. See that? So now what you want to do is just put the cap on really tight. If you guys can see me, you just want to go ahead and shake it up. Make sure it's closed tight. Shake it up. And then, yeah, so it's shaken up. Now you want to stay tuned for the next part, and yeah. So now, if you guys can see me, you'll need this rubbing alcohol, and take your bottle and fill it up to this line. Yeah, so let's go try it out. So obviously it worked. Bye.